Today we're answering the question, what are blackout curtains? Keep watching to see how blackout curtains can benefit you and get to know our top 5 tips for buying blackout curtains. Blackout curtains refer to drapes that are designed to completely block out the light thanks to either the type of lining, woven fabric or back coating they are produced with. Our first tip for buying blackout curtains is to consider your curtain heading choice carefully. We recommend opting for a pinch pleat curtain heading as they fit closely to the ceiling, preventing light from filtering in through the gaps around the curtain edge. Alternatively, we would recommend adding a pelmet to your curtains to again ensure no light can sneak in through gaps at the top of your chosen curtains. Make sure to stick around to find out our number 1 tip for buying blackout curtains. Investing in a good quality blackout lining is vital. Simply using a dark coloured fabric will not be sufficient. Although opting for cheap but poorly made blackout curtains may be tempting, you'll find yourself needing to replace them quickly as these low quality blackout curtains cannot cope with regular exposure to UV rays and will become worn out quickly. It is sometimes believed blackout curtains are only available in black or other dark colours. However, this is simply not true. Blackout curtains are available in a variety of colours, hues and patterns, meaning they can easily fit into your chosen design schemes. Finally, our top tip when buying blackout curtains would be to use a professional curtain maker to produce your curtains. This will ensure they are produced to the exact specifications of your window, a vital element to blocking out as much light as possible. Using a bespoke curtain company also means access to a much wider range of fabric choices and professional expertise. We hope we have made the key features of blackout curtains a little clearer. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all the best tips and tricks to get the most out of your curtains, and head over to our website for a bespoke curtain quote today.